Yo, what is up, guys? I gotta say that I have a problem, and the problem is I'm working on a fourth episode for the POLO VIVO, but the thing is, a lot of my videos are corrupt. So honestly, a lot of my videos won't be shown on this fourth episode. A lot of videos are gonna be just videos, I must say random videos of mine. Because first of all, I went and fetched a flyover from my friend. In fact, the whole engine block. So honestly, that went well. In fact, praise the Lord that I got the flywheel, because if I didn't, it was going to be a huge problem. But at least you have it, even though I don't have the video. I'll explain while I go through the video what's happening, because already a lot of my videos are corrupt. So then we have a Red Bull and work on it, even though this is not my sponsor, just that I like Red Bull. So I hope you enjoy. Go. Let's get into it. I have an abandoned 2014 POLO VIVO that needs work, of course, because it doesn't have an engine. Or must I say, the engine is everywhere, into pieces, at the wrong place, on the car, and I must say in the garage. And just look how rusty this engine looks. It's actually non-fixable. And if you haven't seen this engine block has a huge hole. And back to the car, body structure wise, it doesn't look nice. It has panel gaps and the brakes look rusty. Plus, it has dents almost everywhere. And I gotta point out, inside is very dirty. So since the car needed a new engine, we went to the shop to buy a new engine. And luckily this time we got one, as you can see here. And these lovely gentlemen helped us put the engine inside the car. Yeah guys, this is the first test drive. Clutch. The gear's getting in smoothly. Let's go. I'm not sure if you can hear sound in the camera, but yeah, I think it's a tire. It's a flat tire. I need to go. Yo. But it's running pretty smooth, yeah. I won't lie. But I'm gonna test it nicely when the tire's up. Yeah, it's pretty smooth, I won't lie. Second gear. Yeah. Going fine. Guys, yeah, I don't know how happy I am, guys. Yo. It's been years. This car hasn't been started. But yeah, everything's going smoothly. The brakes work smoothly also. Yeah. Pretty nice. Wow. Yeah, guys, I hope that tire is gonna fill up smoothly, because I'm not sure if it has cracked or something, but damn. Yeah, I hope
everything works out. Yeah guys, everything goes well, the gear's going smoothly, and damn. Hey guys, don't know what I say guys. Yo, I'm pretty happy. I'm very happy. It's been 1.5 years now this car hasn't started, but yo, I miss this car so much. I'm not sure if you can hear sound through the camera, but yeah, the car has a flat tire. Yeah, I'm going to the garage right now to pump it up, and after that I'm gonna test drive it properly and check if everything goes alright. In the second gear, press clutch, it's pretty smooth. Oh my word. Yeah, everything works very fine, very fine. Yeah guys, gotta focus. Yeah, but yo, I'm pretty happy. I'm pretty happy. Yo. Yeah, I think you can hear this sound through the camera. I don't know what it is, but yeah. I hope it's gonna be fixed. I'm not sure what's the problem, but wait, I'm gonna show you. I think it's like, can you tell me what's this, guys? I'm not sure, but I'm gonna search it out pretty soon. Yeah guys, yeah, I'm out from the garage now. I filled the tire and I think everything runs smoothly now, besides this lamp. Don't know what it is, but yeah, there's no noise now at all. I won't lie, yeah, but it's pretty smooth, pretty smooth. Yeah, can you hear any sounds now? Pretty much nothing. It's running pretty smooth. Third gear, yeah, it's going pretty smooth. I'm happy. I'm very happy, I won't lie. Yeah, wow, yeah. It's been long, but the project hasn't ended yet. Pretty much now, I think I'm gonna put it in a car wash or probably wash it myself. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do later, because I'm probably busy and I'm tired, very tired. Yeah, shout out to the mechanic fixing the car. Yeah, pretty happy.
You're probably wondering when I'm changing the brakes, but to be honest, this was already changed. I'm just showing the plan, and as you can see, these are the old brakes and the new brakes are on the car. And not gonna lie bro, it looks fresh. Well, since the enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.